Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today we're going to say, should I repair or fix my own front load washer drum? The quick answer, medium answer, and long answer is no. It's a lot of stupid things to go together, a lot of things. Now, saying that, there are people that can do this. But for the most part, you're going to want someone else to come do this, because if you look at this, this is pretty much semi all apart, okay? I've got a lot of things in here that I had to take off to take care of to get this drum out. This thing is about 50 to 60 plus pounds. Get it out by myself sucks, okay? But if you have someone with you, it's not so bad, it's not so horrible, but it's a real pain in the butt. Plus, when you put it back together, you've got to make sure all of your parts go on right, make sure all your connections go on right, otherwise you're going to flood your house. You don't want that, okay? Another thing, this is a one-piece tub. The manufacturers now are going to basically a one-piece tub. What I mean by that is, if you look at this one right here, this is the one I'm replacing it with. It is all together. You got the basket, front and rear parts of the tub. Okay, now, if you have an older unit, okay, you've got a back half, a front half, and a drum that are all 3 separate pieces. Okay, which means, once I get this out, if you look at all these little screw holes, there should be some screw holes here. There would be screw holes there if it was a separatable tub, but this isn't. So I've got to get all those screws out, and they got to get separated, then I got to put it back together, I got to get all the screws put in. If I use my impact wrench, I'm probably going to spin out the holes because I'm not going to use it correctly. And if I spin out a hole, I have a weak spot, which means I'm going to leak. So basically, pay someone to do this. It takes the mind off your job, and if they screw it up and they flood your house, their insurance will take care of it for you. I'm not saying do that, but let's say, just let someone else do this for you, because this isn't something you want on YouTube going, oh, I can do this. Don't. Let the guys who know how to do it because they'll do it faster. I can do it in probably an hour, hour and 15 minutes. This is going to be an all-day job for you, and you really want to be doing this all day long. So, y'all come back next week for more wonderful information. Have a great day.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.